everyone, this is Aishwarya and welcome to Beauty with Coach. So guys, today we are going to discuss an indicator question. So indicator means this question indicates your interview is about to end. Result may be positive, negative or anything, but yes, this question kind of indicates that interview is about to end. So okay, we'll discuss this question, but before that make sure you hit this big fat like button, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon next to it. And if after watching you find this video helpful, then make sure you share it with your friends, because guys, because placements are going to start, things are getting normal. So yes, placement is about to start, your friend may need this video. So sharing is caring, share. Okay, so now discuss today's topic. So the question is, why should we hire you? I personally believe this question should be answered by interviewer himself. I mean, you will know whether you are going to hire me or not, or if you are going to hire me, then why? You will know. How can I? Isn't it? But then this question is asked in almost all interview, no matter what your discipline is. So yes, HR interview questions are more or less same. So yes, this question is asked in almost all interviews. Then there must be a reason, isn't it? And yes, there is a reason. Interviewer just want to know two things. First, do you have the skills required for the job? And second, how is your attitude towards the job? See, both of them are very important. I may be a very good singer, fine. I am skilled in singing, fine. But if I am applying for a marketing job, then my singing skills won't help. My marketing skills will help, isn't it? So yes, if I am a skilled singer, I can go for auditions, or like I can go for anything related to music or singing, isn't it? Then my skills are valuable. So yes, all skills are very good, fine, but there is a perfect place for everything, isn't it? So yes, if you have skills required for that particular job. And second thing was your attitude. So let's say you have all the qualities or like all the skills required for that job, and your attitude is like, today I am in mood of sleeping, today I am feeling so lazy, I'm not in mood of work. Then will this attitude help? No. So you're not fit, isn't it? You're not fit for that job, isn't it? So yes, attitude is very important. Or let's say you have no skills at all, you are very passionate, you want to work, but you have no skills at all. Then also, like, that passion won't help. I mean, if you have if you know so many things, but if you don't know one or two things, then there will be some people who will help you, who will guide you, will train you, fine. But if you know nothing, then no one has time to like train a 5-year-old child in corporate, isn't it? So yes, you may not be, or you're not 5 years old, fine, but if you have no skills required for that job, then you are just like a child for that job, isn't it? So no one has time, no one is going to invest his time on you if you have nothing. But if you have, like, let's say 80 or 90% skills, if you are lagging behind for something, for some reason, then there will be people who will help you if you have positive attitude. Or in other cases, like let's say you have 80 or 90% of skills, you don't know 10%, and your attitude is like, I am not going to ask, why will I? It shows you are arrogant, so your attitude is again not good. So both skills and attitude, interviewer wants to have the person who is like well balanced in these two things, isn't it? So yes, how can you answer this question when interviewer asks, why should I hire you? Because I don't have job, go somewhere else, isn't it? Or maybe like, de do na sahab, garib ki dua lagegi. See, that sahab is sitting there to give you a job, fine, but not because garib ki dua lagegi, but because you are skilled as well as you have positive attitude towards the work. If you have these things, then that sahab will definitely give you a job. I mean, he just wants to know, why should he give you job, or like, why should you get that job and not the 50 others waiting outside? You are not the only interviewee, so many candidates are there, then why you? We just want to know these things. So how can you answer this question smartly or like perfectly? See, from your job description, I noticed that you're looking for someone who is technically sound as well as a very good communicator, which is why I'm a perfect fit for this job. I'm an effective communicator as well as I have skilled myself in machine learning as well as web designing. I used my web designing skills to develop a website called xyz.com in my free time. So see, you said everything. See, when you said I noticed from your job description, then he knew that you are really interested. You are interested, you are enthusiastic for this job. That's why you read the job description. You did your research part. So this first line or the first 2-3 words showed that you are enthusiastic. You want this job eagerly, isn't it? And after that, in job description, it was mentioned that they need effective communicator as well as person who is technically sound. And when you are speaking fluently, he understood that yes, he is a very good communicator, fine, but the technical part, you said you are skilled in web designing as well as machine learning, fine. After that, as a proof, you said that in your free time you developed xyz.com. So yes, xyz.com is a proof that you are good with web designing. You are good with web designing, isn't it? So actions speak louder than word. Now your interviewer can check xyz.com and he will definitely understand, yes, if this person has developed this website, then he must be very good in web designing or web development, isn't it? So yes, this was the case. So please do let me know in comment section whether you like this answer or not. So yes, if you can answer in this way, then he will definitely understand that this person has skills. This person has skills required for that job, because for that job they needed someone who is good with communication as well as technically good, isn't it? So yes, so he has skills, and after that, positive attitude, or his attitude is good towards work, because he developed xyz.com when he was free, isn't it? So in his free time he developed that. It means he is someone who who wants to work, isn't it? Who doesn't just want to lie down in bed. He just want to work whenever he can. If his health allows, if everything is okay, then he will definitely work. So this shows how positive they are towards their work. So yes, this is the way you can answer this question. And if you have any other answer, then please educate us in comment section. We'll love to know that. So yes, on this note, I'm wrapping up this video. So stay healthy, stay fit. Love you all. This is Aishwarya signing off. Bye bye.